This story's title is Alia's Secret, a story of Ramadan, written and illustrated by Farida Zaman. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It looks like someone took a big bite out of the moon,
says Alia. She knows this means the new moon is almost here, and that marks the beginning of Ramadan. At school, the next day, Alia's class learns about Ramadan. During the month of Ramadan, many Muslim people fast, says Mrs. Lee. Does anyone know what that means? Nuri puts up her hand.
No eating or drinking all day, from sunrise to sunset.
Not even water?
Asks Owen.
I couldn't go a long whole day without eating or drinking,
adds Annie. After school, Alia asks Abba.
Why do you fast during Ramadan?
It helps me understand how people feel when they are hungry,
says Abba.
It reminds me to be thankful for the things I have.
I want to fast,
says Alia. You're too young, says Ammi. You need food to grow. When you're older, you can fast. That night, tucked in the bed, Alia makes a decision. I can fast, she tells herself. I know I can. She hugs her secret to her chest and drifts off to sleep. The next morning, Alia is up before dark to join Ammi and Abba for sahur, breakfast before sunrise. The table is loaded, and Amma and Abba eat all they can because after sunrise, they won't eat or drink again until sunset. They don't notice that Alia also eats all she can. Her favorite is halwa puri. She eats as much as her tummy will hold. After sahur, Alia, Ammi and Abba get ready to say their prayers. Giving thanks is an important part of Ramadan too. Alia covers her hair with a sparkly scarf that Nani gave her and hugs her secret even closer. At school, Alia keeps her secret from her friends, but as the day goes on, she finds it harder and harder to fast.
Don't you want your snack?
Nuri asks Alia at recess later that morning.
I don't feel like it.
Alia lies, putting a hand on her rumbling tummy.
Why aren't you eating?
Asks Annie at lunchtime.
I don't feel like it.
Alia lies again, but her tummy rumbles even more. In the afternoon, Sanjay's mom drops off cupcakes for his birthday. The frostings look delicious and there are sprinkles.
I don't feel like it.
She lies to Sanjay. Then she puts her head down on her desk, hungry and miserable. That evening, Alia helps Ammi with the baking, and the kitchen fills with the sweet smells of buttery baklava. Alia's tummy rumbles like thunder, and she finds it hard to focus on stirring the pot of halwa. All she can think about is the crunchy, syrupy baklava, and before she can stop herself, she takes a big bite.
Oh no!
Alia cries.
I ate and I wasn't supposed to.
What do you mean? Asks Ammi.
I fasted today in secret,
Says Alia.
and it was hard.
Oh Alia, says Ammi. You must be so hungry.
I wanted to be just like you and Abba.
Alia explains. Ammi considers this. First, let's get you something to eat, she says. Then we will talk about other ways to celebrate Ramadan. Ammi explains to Alia that acts of kindness are another important part of Ramadan. Over the following weeks, Alia, Ammi and Abba are busy in the kitchen. There are vegetables to be washed, pots to be stirred and containers to be packed. Every night, she and her parents take boxes of food to the mosque to share with people in need. One night, Alia invites Nuri and Annie to iftar dinner, the meal at sundown to break the daily fast. The table is packed with special treats, samosas, pakoras, biryani, laddus and jalebis. Alia gives her friends colorful bangles to wear and paint their hands with henna. After dinner, Alia, Nuri and Annie go outside to look for the new moon.
It looks like someone took a big bite out of the moon again,
says Alia. She knows the new moon is almost here again and that marks the end of Ramadan. And the beginning of Eid al-Fitr, the celebration of breaking the fast. When the Eid al-Fitr festivities come to a close, Abba tucks a very tired Alia into bed.
In a few more years, I will fast just like you and Ammi.
Alia tells him.
For now, I can't wait to celebrate Ramadan again next year. The end. Thanks for watching. For more exciting read aloud stories, please subscribe to our channel Little Hearts Super Kids. Also follow us on Instagram for amazing updates.